Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can open the sound equalizer of this Amazon speaker. Okay, so first of all, open the devices tab, open your Alexa speaker. Next, what you have to do, click on the Bluetooth button, on the settings button, and then just go for the audio settings. As you can see right here, you can find the sound equalizer, so we can set the mid-range or bass or treble, for example, by moving this dot on the right or the left. If you want to leave with your setup, just go back. It will be applied for this speaker. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.